Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the green lines here are coming from. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just go ahead and get rid of that line. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant right now, and from a presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And that's actually exactly what's going on right here with 87 cents. The good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that, now then the price will immediately begin to resume its battle with that level because the price essentially closed right at it. So again, still got to be considered an area of resistance. But again, assuming that the price doesn't gap down there and then all of a sudden it's got to work its way back upwards. So if the price, no gap down, no gap up, but opens at its immediate spot, well then yeah, that's a good little, sign that this level very well could be broken on Friday. And that's by no means a gutsy call on my part because like I said, the price literally closed right at it. So assuming it opens up there very close to it, then that means that the bulls will immediately begin, knocking on that door once more. Now, if the price does break through there, which again is a pretty high potential. I don't want to say guarantee because there's no such thing as a guarantee, but it would not be shocking at all. But if the price does break above there, then the next key level to watch would be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. You can see this area has quite the history right now of acting as resistance. Temporarily got above it right there, but could never maintain above it. And then after the price fell back below, it went right back to acting as resistance right there. So keep an eye on that, although I'm getting a little bit ahead of myself because one hurdle at a time, and again, that first hurdle is getting up above 87 cents. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this whatsoever, other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today down there at 85 cents. So right there at 85 going to be the key level of support going forward. So like I said, no other reason other than that's just simply where the price stopped going down and then got the little bounce from there. So let's see if the price can start to put something together in terms of a bounce and maybe some sort of overall reversal next week. But it all starts with a bounce. So let's see if this thing can keep on bouncing or not on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.